welcome to Just a Bit of Home. This is the third video in the three-part tutorial, and we're doing flower assembly for the actual arrangements. And if you missed it, we will quickly go over how to make the actual individual flowers so that you can just quickly recap. Well, first of all, you need some of this. You need to get it all over your hands, and then no matter how much paint or glue you get on yourself, it won't matter. But all jokes aside, I want to do this in one quick tutorial, no editing. I like it that way, it's less work. So to make the bouquet that I had shared with you before, you are going to need to make your flowers. That took about 30 flowers, and again, I really highly suggest that you check out the first video and the second video. The first video contains the actual template or how to create your own template. The second video contains the instructions on how to assemble these flowers. I'm not going to quickly explain it, I'm just going to quickly show you. So I have one to attach. And after we're done making this first flower, well, it's not my first. I've had a lot of flowers. And literally, I normally like to stick them all together, but I just want to glue quickly and not waste a lot of time on this video because there's a couple things I want to show you before time is up. Plus, there are surveys that say, or studies, whatever they want to call them, that say that most people turn off a video within the first 30 seconds. So if I haven't caught you in 30 seconds, then you're honestly not going to stay much longer. And I have really bad jokes. I sometimes sing. I've been known to dance. So really, sometimes it's worth it to stay and sometimes it's not worth it to stay. But quick fix of the flower. I also wanted to show you that if you need to make a tighter lip, you can take these little pins and roll. Now we're going to be, these pins are actually from the dollar store, and they're just used for hors d'oeuvres and sticking fruit on drinks, whatever you want. I know I can't say hors d'oeuvres or So after you have your flowers made, this is a toilet paper roll. And I've taken long lengths from bamboo that you get at the dollar store. There's my chimes. And no one's breaking into this house. And then I cut it. These are cut at 7.5 inches. And then literally you're just taking the bamboo and your glue gun and you're gluing. Key is to have the bottoms lined up. So if you do want it to stand, you can do that. Once you get all your bamboo glued around, then you're ready for the next part. And this is the part that most people are really curious about, is how did I get the flowers to attach? Because yes, they are paper flowers and they can be a little bit tricky. Oh my. Sometimes I wish that like YouTube or whatever, some of these aren't long enough, would basically let you play your own music and you don't need the rights to it, because I am not a great singer, so my voice gets pretty boring. So there's my base. Next part, this is a small styrofoam ball, and literally I swear, I need some cool music. And push. And once your styrofoam is in place, now you can start inserting your flowers. Once you have your flowers made, and you might want to just go one by one, you're going to take these picks, insert it through, push down, pull through a bit, stick it in. I was using a piece of the bamboo to push the pin down a little further, and there you go. So you just keep going all the way around until you have them all pinned in and you get to here. Then I just took some dollar store ribbon, wrapped it around, glued it, made a bow, and to kind of even up the edges here, I glued some dollar store ribbon. So this also afterwards was given a light spraying of spray paint from a far distance, and that's how we got this. So it only was products from the dollar store, quick and easy. The longest part is making these flowers, but they're actually kind of fun. So on to the next part. We have this cute little spring summer flowers. I don't really use a lot of color typically, so this is out of my comfort zone. I used a little bit of red spray paint, made the exact same flower designs, attached them with the pins, but first I put in a ball. This is actually a dollar store pot, and I spray painted it white. They come in like yellow and green, really funky colors. I did that, and then I just took, so when you're working, you can just know the radius that you need to cover that's going to show. And then you make the flowers the exact same way again. Nice little flower. Take a pin, poke it in, and then you just go around. Once you have it filled to what you would like it to be, as such, just give a little spray paint of any color you would like. So the last and final thing is this flower, and that's how I got my hands really red, because I didn't wait till it dried to touch it, and I also miscalculated my spray once or twice. So this flower is the exact same flowers, and then it's spray painted, and I used several coats of the spray paint, and then in the little packages they have some black pins, and I put black pins in there. And then this is actually just some dried eucalyptus leaves. And then you have a really nice, bright red flower. You could make that easily into a corsage, or anything that you would, for weddings, proms, whatever. You can make several of them and get them into another bouquet like that. I'm way too close. I should really need like a cameraman, but oh well. Or, you know, you could add it to the bamboos and then just glue it around, and you can have a single stem flower. And, you know, there's lots of options. But these are my flowers. This is my design. There was 1 to 3 tutorials, and thanks again for watching. You can check me out on my Facebook page, Just a Bit of Home, and my website is www.justabitofhome.com. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Pinterest, and I just love making flowers, making all kinds of crafts. Thanks for stopping by.